Paulo Cabral, and tonight I'm going to be singing Ariana Grande's Almost Is Never Enough. I'd like to say we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all on life, and maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie, that's a lie, and we can't deny it as much as we want, but in time our feelings will show, 'cause sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is everyone knows almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart. But right here in each other's arms, here we almost knew what love was, but almost is never enough. If I could change the world overnight, there'd be no such thing as goodbye. You'd be standing right where you were, and we'd get the chance we deserve. Try to